If I told you that 70% of forex traders using the Amigat Pro Alert 2025 in 2024 saw their win rate increase by 40% in just 30 days, you will not believe. Now, the Amigat Pro Alert 2025 is another version of the Amigat Pro Alert itself. Now, the Amigat Pro Alert, which is the first version, was magnificent, and after the release of it, my database was hacked, and that was how the indicator leaked. Now, I nullified the license of the Amigat Pro Alert. Now comes the Amigat Pro Alert 2025, and now the 2025 version, people who reuse this indicator in 2025 from January see their portfolio increase over 62% win rate. And this is exactly what I want you to learn in this video. You are probably wondering if this indicator is just another regular hype, but oh no, this is something far different and far better. This trading tool, or can I just say this piece of tool, is a complete game changer for anyone who is ready to change the way he or she trade the financial markets to make maximum profit. And guess what? This indicator is 100% non-repaint, which I will be also backtesting the whole thing in this video. I want you to see it happening right before your very eyes. If to change your trading system, or if to change the way to the financial market is just what you're looking for, especially using a simple tool like the Amigat Pro Alert 2025, then you are in the right place, because this tool can change the way to the financial market significantly in just 60 days. When I'm talking about 60 days is enough to give you massive profit, up to 70 to 80% win rate without no any issue. Of course, this is why you're here, and of course you are going to find out exactly how this indicator is going to kind of change the way you look at the financial market big time. After using this indicator myself, since the release of this indicator for at least 2 to 3 months, the way the whole thing work really amazed me. And of course, my discovery is going to kind of blow your mind altogether. I know many people will have this question in their mind: is this tool the right tool for me, since I'm a beginner who is just getting started? Oh no, this tool is just the best tool for you, because I will kind of explain to you exactly how this works, because this is going to give you exactly what you're looking for. Again, it's super clean, and your chart will not be so much gibberish indicators on it. It's just super clean signals, buy and sell signals, if this is just what you're looking for. All the analysis is done for you. You only have to enter your trade based on buy or sell from the indicator. Now, I don't want to waste much of your time. It's time for me to dive into my desktop, where I will be kind of sharing and also explaining to you exactly how to get it, also how to install it, and also how to use it for your own good. Let's go. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm here with you once again in the studio, and we are talking about, or better still, I am talking about the Amigat Pro Alert 2025. I mean, if you have missed the first version of the Amigat Pro Alert that was leaked, and later on I used my save server to nullify the license, then here comes the moment of truth. Even the previous version, traders who use this system for at least 30 days saw a massive increase of up to 40%. And now come the 2025 version of the Amigat Pro Alert, and this has been giving people over 70% of profit in the past 30 days. And if this is just what you're looking for, then this is the right place for you. And because this indicator will kind of change the way you look at the financial market and how you trade the financial market. Now, I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's see exactly how the whole thing works on my chart. If you come here, you're going to see that I'm on a clean chart, and this is one of my account. It's a demo account though. I'm using Tickmill, and Tickmill happened to be the best broker for me for the past few years now. Now, if I come here to my indicator navigator, once I click on this navigator here, I've installed the indicator. You can see the indicator is here. It's a regular MT4 installation. It's the same. It's the same, and it's just like any other indicator installation. Amigat Pro Alert 2025, and now you can see I have the single license is here, and the unlimited license of the Amigat Pro Alert is here. So for you to install this indicator, after you have installed it, by coming here to file, you click on open data folder. Once you click on open data folder, it's going to open like this. Now all I want you to do is to double click and open MQL4, and then you can double click and open indicators, and you can just right click and paste the indicator right here. This is how the installation is being done. Now you can see the installation is 100% straightforward. I mean, it's a regular MT4 installation procedure, and if you do that, that's simple. Your indicator is fully installed. Now, if you come back here, we can see we already have the single license of Amigat Pro Alert, and we have the unlimited license. So let me just drag and drop the unlimited license into the chart. You're going to see the Amigat Pro Alert 2025 by Juben's AI team, unlimited license. I would just suggest you click on common and you check this allow DLL import, and every other thing I would just suggest you leave them default, and all you have to do is to click on OK. Now you can see how precise this indicator can be, and I know many people will be asking, can I make money with this indicator? There's a lot of controversy, there's a lot of asking. This indicator is super accurate. Is it non-repent? Does it repent? Now, let me also clear the air about non-repent indicator and repenting indicator. Now, the term repenting indicator is when signal from an indicator appear, and then the next minute or maybe after some refresh, the signal or the arrow disappear. That is when indicator is repenting. And where you hear the term non-repent indicator, non-repent simply means if the arrow appear on that same spot and it's going to be there no matter what happened, even if you close down your system and launch it back again, it's still there. It's still in the same position. That simply means the indicator is non-repent. Once it shows signal, the signals are fixed, are right there, and that doesn't do anything. But also come to think of it, non-repent indicator and repenting indicator. Let me also put you straight to this. Both non-repenting indicator and repenting indicator tend to lose money. It doesn't matter because the market itself is 100% random. That simply means you are not 100% certain of what is going to happen, even if non-repent indicator give you a signal, because anything can happen. Now, let's also go and see. Now we're having these signals that are looking so good from the Amigat Pro Alert 2025, and it can also send you signals. You can see that. It can send you signal from arrow to arrow. If you want to trade it that way, you are going to make consistent profit. See that? Very, very good signals, right? Yeah, of course, you're going to make consistent amount of money at the end of the day while using this indicator. You can see the signals are 100% fixed. And again, we are going to backtest this indicator today. I'll be running a quick backtest on this indicator, and we're going to see how unique it is. There's this something here, I think I call it double bottom, right? You can see it went up, come back, and then it went through. Now, with the help of the Amigat Pro Alert 2025, you can eat the both sides. Do you understand what I mean? You can eat the both sides, that every time in the market, it's magnificent. Now, we have a buy arrow here. You ride the trend to the spot, and then you see a sell arrow, you ride it down here, right? And then you see a buy arrow again, and you ride it finally to the stop here. Now, you can see how unique this thing is. Now, let's assume you ride it from this arrow here. You ride it down here, and then you saw another signal, or you see another signal here. You ride it up, and then you see this one. You ride it down, and then you see this one. Finally, you ride it up. That simply means you utilize this double bottom of a thing. You know, you properly utilize it, and you make money just when the pattern is happening. Now, the Amigat Pro Alert 2025, it's one of its kind, and it remains the best arsenal in my possession today when it comes to trading the financial market. Now, let's backtest this indicator and we'll see how unique it is. Now, let me clear this off altogether, right? So, I know many people will ask if this indicator repents or not. This is exactly what I want to talk in this video. So, first and first, I will go to backtest. I'll hit on Ctrl R on my keyboard, and you can see right here on my indicator, right? On my indicator tab, make sure you select indicator. Now you can see that by default, Amigat Pro Alert 2025 unlimited license is being selected. And of course, I'm not going to be testing gold. You can use it on any asset you want. Let's test the major pair people trade quite often, which is the Euro USD. So let's look for Euro USD. Let's look for Euro USD. Where is it? That's what 10. Okay. Let's look for Euro USD. Very, very important. Let's see. Euro USD. It's too tiny for my eyes too. Come on. Where is this? Is it at the top here? I couldn't even see. Okay, yeah, it's first here. All right, we select Euro USD by default. and then we'll set our time frame to 1 hour. You can use any time frame of your choice. And this here, you're going to select the model. You're going to select open price only, which is the fastest mode. And of course, you can leave this at January 2025, and you can just project this to any month of your choice. Let's go to the current month that we are, November, 4th of November, right? And every other thing you leave it default. You can skip to date if you want. And yes, so we can click on start, and we can set this to candlesticks, and then we'll remove this grid. So I want you to pay attention to every single signals that are populating. Okay, let me pause this, and I can demonstrate something real quick over here. Now you can see that of course you can see this signal arrow, this arrow here. It's beautiful. After it populates and it doesn't repent, you can see it move to the downside, and you make a good amount of money. Now what I'm trying to say in a nutshell from the beginning is that some signals you can lose money, of course, because there's no 100% signals. You know, even if the indicator is 100% non-repent, you can still lose money. Now look at this signal in this scenario. You can see it gave me a buy price and then buy signal, and then it went up, and later on it went down. You can also look at this one. It's a losing trade, and this one also, can I say no, this is not a losing trade. This is a confirmed winning trade, because after it give you sell signals, it just pulled back a little bit because your stop loss could have been above that area, and then you can see it went down, right? So of course this is so good. All right, so now let's continue back testing this. Let's click on play, right? So let's see, and I want you to pay attention to every single signals that it is populated. So this is exactly what I also said. You can see it give you a buy signal, but this sell signal is 100% effective, and then you can see it went in your favor a little bit, but then it came back down and hit your stop loss. So the truth is that this indicator can give you up to 80% profit signals. Profit, it can give you 80% win rate while using it. So there's no 100% indicator in the market. So let's backtest it more. Let's go. As you're looking at it, it's going, and you know, we have a sell signal right there, and then a buy signal again, and sell signal keep coming up. You can see that we have sell signal here. It went in your favor. Definitely, if you're like me, who is always consistent with 50-100 pips, this indicator is going to be the right tool for you. So you can see how it is now. Now let's keep going, and then this, look at this buy signal here, this very buy signal here. I can show you with the help of an arrow. That's a buy signal hidden here, and you can see it went. And we have a sell signal here. You can see it went, and you can see we have a buy signal here. It went. So 80% of the time you will be consistent in the market. Now there's something I want to point your attention to in this video. Now, if you are trading the financial market, what makes you a successful or a profitable trader is that at the end of each month, your winning trade should be more than your losing trade. That simply means at the end of the whole thing, if you can be able to have, let's say, 5 to 10% of your profit altogether, which is far better than your losing trade, and of course you also make sure that your invested capital is intact plus profit, I think this is beautiful. This is what makes you a profitable trader. But at the end of the day, if you are trading the financial markets and you see that your losing trade is more than your winning trade, that simply means you are a losing trader. You're losing money, right? This is all about it. But this indicator is going to make sure it makes you a profitable trader at the end of each 30 days. Because if it can give you 80% win rate, you're going to be in the money no matter what. So let's keep backtesting. So I'll show you before I end the video. I don't really want this video to be so long, but this is, as you can see, this is working. You know, we have a buy signal, a sell signal, but the buy signals overpower the sell signal, and then the market move in your direction. It's very, very clear for you to say. Now you can see we have a buy and then we have a sell. See the jump of a new day. Now you can see that, let me pause this. You can see that this buy sell signal here, this buy signal happened and then it went in your favor, and you take it a little bit of profit. Sell signal appear and you take it, and then the jump, and maybe you take your profit. And then we have a sell signal, but the market went against you. Now this is all about the Amigat Pro Alert 2025. The idea of this whole thing is for you to see that it doesn't repent. The indicator is fixed and it doesn't repent. And look at this from here. It appears here, you buy and you take a little bit of profit, probably after this arrow appear, because it will appear after the candle closes and send you an alert to your phone, to your email, and then also pop it up on your MT4, and then you enter a sell trade, and then you take your profit right here. That is just the idea of the whole thing. The idea is for you to know exactly how this truly works. Now you can see that, you can see sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, and consistently this indicator is going to make you money. I don't really know what to add to this anymore, and of course this is just what the Amigat Pro Alert 2025 is really all about and how you can make the most out of it. This will bring me to the end of the video, and if it is the first time you see me here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with family and friends. Remember, I always publish or upload video time to time to kind of change the way you trade the financial market and make a whole bunch of profit. Thank you once again for your time. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one, but until then I want to say bye.